Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Ipsy for October. I have the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus here. This one's $12 a month, this one's $25, and it is a beauty subscription. So these actually were gifted to me by Ipsy. I've actually been an Ipsy subscriber since day one, and they've only ever sent me one free box to advertise their Glam Bag Plus when that came out. So I was kind of excited to see that they're doing something similar to BoxyCharm, where BoxyCharm has like an influencer program, so they send me a box every month and I unbox it on my channel for you, and I'm always honest about it. And Ipsy is kind of doing that now as well. So they just launched their influencer program and they sent these over, and I guess they will be sending them for the months to come. So we'll have to see how this is. Now I'm usually used to buying my own bags and paying for it obviously and picking out my own products. This time I didn't get to pick anything, which is kind of sad. I really missed that aspect because I feel like it's definitely more personalized to me, and I feel like these creator bags are going to be kind of the same throughout, that everyone's getting the same products. So it'll be interesting to see how things go, what it's going to be like, but I'm pretty sure everyone's getting similar items in these bags, but they do contain items that are possibilities for October, because I looked on the October, there's like something on the Ipsy app, you could check like all the things that are possibly in the boxes, and these items were included. So I had to mix and match a few things because some of them were out of place. They sent this in one big box, and some of it was a little bit misleading because they had put a full-size Sunday Riley in this small bag, which I was like, wait, that's not right, there's no way. So I checked and it actually belonged in this one. So a little bit of a mix-up there. Hopefully no one advertised it as that. But yes, I wanted to tell you guys that I will be doing this. If you guys don't like it, let me know. I also have my own subscription coming as well, so I'm really curious to see what is going to be in here. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the small $12 bag for the month, and the theme is Your Magic. I think they made a really cute theme this month, kind of very centered around Halloween. I love the designs, and then even the zipper has a little star and moon. So the first thing I got in my small Ipsy bag, this is a palette. It's from Illuminati, which I've never heard of. This is their Enlightened Quad palette. This looks really nice quality. I like the shades in here. Warm neutrals, great for fall, so I'll go ahead and swatch. Very, very soft. So far, the quality seems like it's going to be pretty good. So I'm excited to try out this brand. It's very new to me, but it seems like it's a good quality. The next thing I got is a brush. I got a FIRMA brush, which I do like these. I have a FIRMA brush that I use for bronzer that I got in Ipsy. So this is their 103 brush, which looks like it would be good for blush since it has that angle. So we did get those two full sizes. Typically, from what I've seen in my Ipsy bags, I usually only get like one full-size item, so that's pretty rare to get two. Like I said, I'm gonna be completely honest and upfront with you guys about this. The next thing I got is from BRIOGEO, and I'm really excited about this because this is their Farewell Frizz Resorco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I love BRIOGEO hair care, and I always use leave-in spray. It's my favorite hairstyling tool because pretty much I wash my hair and then I put in leave-in conditioner because my hair is a tangly mess, and then I put like an oil in, and that's pretty much all I do. So this is gonna be amazing. I'm very excited to get that in the Ipsy. I also got a little mini SMASHBOX Oil and Shine Control Primer. I think I've personally gotten this before. Of course, I can't help it if I've gotten some of these things, because usually if you have a regular subscription, they're tracking what stuff they already sent you, but they don't know what they already sent me since this isn't under like my account. But yeah, I got that. And then I got a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. It seems like they're sending the creators the exact same bags. Kind of wish they would mix it up a little bit more, but maybe they will in the future. I know BoxyCharm usually sends the same box to all the creators as well, but there's that. This is what this looks like. I've never tried it. It looks nice. I believe that's everything in my little Ipsy bag. It's a pretty good one. Obviously, I got two full-size products, so that was good. I'm very curious to see what you guys got in your bag, so you'll have to let me know. Let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. Like I said, I'm really sad because usually you can customize this with like, I think 3 options, but obviously I just get what I get. So they kind of sent me a lot of things I already have, which of course they couldn't help it, but if I was paying for this, I would be a little bit disappointed since I have a lot of duplicates, but usually with duplicates I will put in a giveaway. So I got a LABORATOIRES FILORGA Oxygen Glow Eyes. It says that it's a super smoothing radiance eye care. Not super familiar with this brand. It looks like it's probably one of those that cost a lot. I don't know. And then I also got this, which I have already, the CIATE London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. You guys, I think I'm going to do a giveaway in this video because I know I have a lot of duplicates. So you guys will want to stay till the end. This has really great reviews. I still need to use the one I have. I think I got it either in an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm. And a lot of people like it, but I feel like you can't really go wrong with powder. Most of them work really well. It's going to give a soft touch matte finish. I also got these brushes, which I know I've gotten before. These are from the brand LARUSE Beauty. I'm going to insert a photo because I don't want to open this because I'm going to put these in the giveaway. And then I also got, this was the product that was in the regular bag. I'm like, yeah, that's not right. But it is a product for the Glam Bag Plus this month. So this is the Sunday Riley A+ Retinoid Serum. I do have this. I think I got it in a BoxyCharm possibly. And I really enjoy this serum. It's really nice. I am pretty sensitive to retinol, and this one was not harsh on me at all. I feel like it's great for every day if you're getting started with it. Of course, definitely be careful if you guys do get this. Maybe start doing a patch test. Make sure that your skin's not going to freak out because it's something that's very powerful, but it works amazingly for helping with fine lines. It can help with acne, and yeah, you just want to make sure that you're starting out slow with it and then gently work into it so that you can get to use it every day. But I love retinol. It's done amazing things for me, and I really do enjoy this Sunday Riley one. Okay, and then lastly, I got a Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, the Mauve Obsessions. And Ipsy always sends these. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've gotten like every color already from them. I'm pretty sure I have this one as well. This is what it looks like. I'm not the biggest fan of these. They're nice for like a quick, easy look, but they're just not my favorite small palette like this. Like I even prefer ColourPop over these. But yeah, it does retail for $28, so it pretty much pays for the bag if you guys are getting the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25. So that is what I got in these bags. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm super curious to see what you guys got. Like I said, I do wish they would switch up these creator bags a bit more. Let me know if you still want to see these. If you would rather see the ones that I buy, I can do that too. But I thought it was nice that I got these early so that I can kind of show you. But this is going to show that you can get these products. Of course, you probably already know what you're getting because you can check. So let me know what you guys got as well, if you got similar ones to me. I will have Ipsy linked down below if you want to go ahead and subscribe to it. I do usually like my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Pluses that I get every month. So for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the LaRouche brush sets, the CIATE London Extraordinary Powder. Let me put this the right way. You'll get the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, Laboratoires FILORGA Oxygen Glow Eyes, and the Sunday Riley Retinol Serum. So all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below if you guys have tried Ipsy before, yes or no. I'm super curious. And that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.